So we are
Vision.
Hello, this is C13.
Sam, you guys and friends, Vince, and Patrick.
So, can you tell us the story behind the song Tabi Tabi po?
So the song Tabi Tabi is a call-out song for all the people na may fake persona and sa mga parang may kapag kaharap mo parang mabait pero kapag nakatalikod ka na doon na lalabas yung tunay niya ko. So itong song na to is parang sinasabi na if you wanna be respected, you need to respect other people as well.
So, how about the preparation dun sa song? Can you tell us something about it?
So yung songwriting process ng Tabi Tabi is parang since last year kasi very hands-on na kami sa music namin nung nilabas namin yung first album namin na 2020. And for this year, talagang we aimed for a lot of songs to be released. So last year pa lang parang naghahanda na kami ng maraming mga songs. And this song is one of them na parang sabi namin na this one is one of the songs na magmamark ng kung ano yung sound talaga ng Vision, kung ano yung identity namin sa music industry.
Dun sa core niya, kasi sobrang ganda ng core niya, lalo din sa chorus niya. Is it a collaborative effort or merong isa lang na talagang allotted for that?
So yung nag-choreo po ng Tabi Tabi is same choreographer na nag-choreo for SSP, Sandal, and Please, which is si Coach Angelica Arca from and yun, parang sinabi namin kung ano yung gusto namin nangyari sa piece na to, kung ano yung parang feels yung gusto namin, ano yung vibe, and achieve niyo po, and we're very, very thankful to Coach Arca.
We always collaborate with Coach Arda when it comes to the choreographies and talagang minimake sure niya po na nati-take in consideration yung mga suggestions and yung mga gusto naming concept when it comes to the choreography of our songs.
Since yung P-pop now is rising na, ano yung gusto niyong maalala ng fans kapag narinig yung name, narinig yung group niya na Vision?
Siguro since we are in the era of parang yung sound namin is very street and very mature. So we want that to be part of our yung kunyari kung narinig ng fans, ito yung Vision, like it sounds very street and very mature, which is marami pa kaming i-release bukod sa Tabi Tabi.
And siguro yung sound na gusto namin parang ma-mark sa industry is our own sound sa P-pop na we are heavily influenced by street music, hip-hop, R&B, and we are focusing and we are making that mark, taking that genre na this is us, this is our story, this is our identity.
How about the concept? May gusto ba kayong ma-share na concept sa mga susunod yung pang mga music? Ganun?
Ako gusto ko matry, personally, yung parang yung may teen drama na parang may story.
Parang mga music, parang mga short film vibes.
Mga short film vibes na parang teen drama and yung parang may leading man, tapos may leading lady, tapos ayun, parang gagamitin yung songs namin to tell the story of that drama.
Kumbaga parang maging OST ng isang
Yes.
So about yung yung upcoming projects na yun po ba? Dapat namin kayo makita. Okay? Upcoming projects, gigs, ganun po.
Well, this month, ngayong April, maglalabas po kami ng panibagong single. It's called Sobrang Init. So, abangan niyo po yan. And this is the start of a big project. It started with Tabi Tabi, sumunod itong Sobrang Init. And ayun, abangan niyo this month. We're cooking something big.
So,
Yes, and we're releasing an EP. Tabi Tabi will be part of the EP. And mas marami pang kanta. Kaya abangan nyo lang.
And also may pinaprepare din kami sa June na major event and yan.
Yes. And for more Vision updates, guys, please do follow our social media accounts. Is that VXON?
Hindi na po.
Hindi na yan. Yun na ba yan?
Mga upcoming events yung po kami. This coming April 20, and then andyan kami sa Marinduque. And then sa May naman po, magkakaroon ng performance in Ilocos and Guimaras po. So abangan po yan.
How about yun po? Meron po ba kami parang yung about snippet lang po dun sa sobrang init? Or,
Okay. Pwede naman.
Ay, may pinost ko dito.
I don't wanna end tonight. Yun na lang muna. Yan. Merong lyrics na, I don't wanna end tonight. Yes.
so,
Sobrang snippet.
sobrang snippet na kailangan na lang abangan
Kailangan
talaga.
nyo abangan.
So, last po, message po sa fans and also plugs na rin po sa mga socials and socials na.
Message sa fans. Hello Vixies, we're very grateful for every effort, for every time na you allot to us, and all the love na binibigay nyo. We are honored to receive the unconditional love, and we promise to give it tenfolds. And ano pa ba? Sana lagi lang kayo nandyan. And panoodin nyo stream nyo yung mga kanta namin, stream nyo yung mga bago naming mga releases, and also abangan nyo yung mga bago naming mga kanta na ilalabas this year.
And sobrang na-appreciate namin kayo and we'll grow together.
For more vision updates, guys, please follow our social media accounts. Is that VXO1 Official?
Yan, tinapos niya na agad.